every
sting in his eye.
Really fun.
Hey guys, I'm home now. So you saw clips of went to my grandpa's graveyard in at uncle's house. I ate a lot of food there and it was yummy. I ate burgers, one burger, sirloin. It was real yummy. And hot dog. Can't remember type meat it was, but a little bit spicy, but it's not a whole lot, but a little bit on the spicy side, but not too much to part me. And pizza. It is not bread because it is, but now I'm tired. And also, a few days ago, wire here was broken. Broke. Past few days, we have ice cold showers. Ice cold showers is not fun. Puffing so fun is real hot, but it's not fun. You're not hot. See you guys there. Bye.